Want to speed up your documentation process? This tutorial shows you how to use voice dictation. Start by searching for Chartnote extension in Google Chrome, then click on the link to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome to install the Chartnote Chrome extension on either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. After the extension is installed, go back to Chrome and click on the extension icon. You'll now see the Chartnote extension. Pin it by clicking the pin icon. Once pinned, the Chartnote icon will appear on the top bar of Chrome. When you click the Chartnote icon for the first time, you'll be asked to log in. Use the credentials provided to you. Next, enable your microphone, which will trigger a widget on the Chrome browser. Click on the blue-colored mic icon. Place the cursor in the text box. As you speak, Chartnote speech-to-text technology instantly converts your voice into text, populating it directly into your EHR's visit note or any text field. For example, you can dictate patient history, diagnoses, and treatment plans directly into the visit note. Furthermore, you can utilize predefined voice commands such as select last word, new paragraph, and more.